Morning class 9 students and welcome to another online physical science class. Here I am discussing the question answers of measurement. Question I have given and answers I am discussing in audio. So that I am giving some keys of answers so that you can listen to the answers properly and carefully and you can write it down in your copy along with the questions. So first question, how can we define physical quantity? Give examples. Answer, anything that is observable and measurable is called a physical quantity. Examples are length, breadth, height, mass, time, volume, weight, etc. Next question, what are scalar quantities? Give examples. Physical quantities which have magnitude only but no direction are called scalar quantities. Examples are mass, volume, area, density, etc. Next question. What are vector quantities? Give example. Physical quantities which have both magnitude and specific direction are called vector quantities. Examples are velocity, acceleration, momentum, force, etc. Next question. The standard meter scale is made up of an alloy. Why? Because the expansion of two bars of equal length but of different metals are different for the same rise of temperature. But the length of a standard material like platinum iridium alloy remains the same at a particular temperature. Next, define 1 kilogram. The mass of a cylindrical piece of platinum iridium alloy kept at 0 degrees Celsius or 273 Kelvin in the International Bureau of Weights and Measures at Civiers near Paris in France is defined as 1 kilogram. Next question. Define CGS units of length and mass. 1 centimeter is defined as the 100th part of 1 meter. 1 gram is defined as the 1000th part of 1 kilogram. Next question. What is solar day? Does it remain constant throughout the year? The time taken by the earth to complete one rotation about its axis is called solar day. It has been found that the distance between the earth and the sun changes slightly. As a result, the length of solar day does not remain constant throughout the year. Next, what is mean solar day? How second is related with it? The average of the varying solar days over 1 year is called mean solar day. 1 mean solar day is equal to 24 hours. That means equal to 24 into 60 into 60 equal to, after multiplying it will come 86400 seconds. Thus 1 second is equal to 1 by 86400 of mean solar day. Next, how can you define 1 cubic centimeter? Answer, if the length, breadth and height of a cube is 1 centimeter, then the volume of the cube will be 1 cubic centimeter. Next question, how can you define 1 liter? How it is related with its smaller units? 1 liter is defined as the volume of 1 kg of pure water at 4 degrees Celsius. Smaller unit of liter is milliliter, ml. That is 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Next one, a particular temperature 4 degrees Celsius has been mentioned in defining 1 liter. Why? The density of pure water is maximum at 4 degrees Celsius. If the temperature goes above or below 4 degrees Celsius, the volume of 1 kg of pure water does not remain exactly 1 liter. Due to this fact, the temperature 4 degrees Celsius is mentioned here. Next, define and explain what is meant by the density of a substance. Density of a substance is defined as the mass per unit volume. If m be the mass and v be the volume of a substance, then its density will be d is equal to m by v. That is, density is equal to mass by volume. Next one, write down the CGS and SI units of density. The CGS unit of density is gram per centimeter cube and the SI unit is kg per meter cube. Next one, write down the values of density of pure water in CGS and SI system. Correlate the densities in these two systems of units. The values of density of pure water at 4 degrees Celsius or 277 Kelvin is 1 gram per centimeter cube in CGS system and it is 10 cube kg per meter cube in SI system. Thus, value of density in SI system is equal to value of density in CGS system into 10 cube. What is light year? How it is related with kilometer? Light year is defined as the distance traveled by light in vacuum in 1 year. It is a unit of length. Thus, 1 light year is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8 into 365 1 by 4 into 24 into 60 into 60 meter. Calculation I have done and it roughly it is coming that 9.46 into 10 to the power 12 kg approx. Next question. What is AU? How it is related with meter? Astronomical unit or AU is the mean distance of Earth from the Sun. So 1 AU is equal to 1.496 into 10 to the power 11 meter. Next, ordinary scale is made of wood or plastic, not of metals. Why? Because a metallic scale expands or contracts due to rise or fall of temperature for which length of each graduation increases or decreases. This is not desired. To avoid these errors, we use scales made of wood or plastic whose length remains the same in any season. What are the limitations of using an ordinary meter scale? The smallest value that can be measured by an ordinary meter scale is 1 millimeter or 0.1 centimeter. This is called the least count of meter scale. So by using meter scale, lengths less than 1 millimeter or more than 1 meter cannot be measured. These are the limitations of meter scale. Next, suppose your English grammar book has 300 pages and its thickness is 2.5 centimeter. What is the thickness of a single page? Express your result in centimeter and meter. Thickness of a single page is equal to total thickness divided by number of pages. That is 2.5 centimeter by 300 here. So equal to, I have done the calculation, it has came 8.3 into 10 to the power minus 3 centimeter. If we will convert this into meter, obviously it will come 8.3 into 10 to the power minus 5 meter. But you please do the calculation properly. I have done it properly, but I'm just discussing it. So do the calculation and give the answer. And the last question, what is meant by the sensitivity of a common balance? Answer, by the word sensitivity, we mean that the beam of a common balance would be tilted if there is a slight difference of mass of the two bands. Thank you students. For any doubts or queries, please email me at shudeshna1.sma@outlook.com. Even you need to send your homework in this given email ID.